Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika for those of y'all who are new here, and I am back with another video. So I have another bag review. Babala Bags actually reached out to me again asking me if I was interested in reviewing another one of their bags, and so I did say yes. So I have another bag to review for you guys. I'm super excited to see this bag and kind of give you my opinions and my thoughts about it. But before we get started, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not here to influence one way or another. I'm just simply here to give my unbiased opinion and thoughts. However, if you are interested and would like to kind of do your own research and kind of check things out for yourself, I will have all of their information listed in the description box down below. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So here is a sneak peek of the item. You guys can see what brand I got, but this is a much bigger box than the box that I got last time. I'm really excited to see this item. It's all wrapped up and everything. It does not come wrapped up like this, but it does come with the box, the ribbon, the paperwork, and everything like that. If you want it to look like this, you will have to do it yourself. So I did ask my husband to go ahead and unwrap everything and then box it up for me nice and pretty for this unboxing, so I can have like a nice little surprise. So let's go ahead and open the box up. He actually did a really good job of tying the ribbon and everything on it as well. So let's go ahead. I'm so excited, and unbox it and take a look at this item. Okay, this is a really big box, so if I can kind of get this in frame, here is what it's looking like. He did a really good job of unwrapping everything, but I did tell him to leave it stuffed if it had stuffing inside the bag though, so that'll be the only thing. So here is the dust bag, nice dust bag, and then here is the bag that I picked out. It is the Louis Vuitton Slouchy MM. Y'all, oh my goodness. Y'all, this is nice. This is really nice. This is really nice. And oh my goodness, he even put this on there. He actually did a pretty good job. Like, I'm gonna have to make sure it's like right, but this is, it has the little lock, the little luggage tag on there, if you guys can see. And then on the back, let me see, on the back of the lock, it should say like LV. On the back of the lock, it says LV. In the back of the luggage tag as well. The zippers look nice. And the strap looks really nice. The glazing on this one looks really good. Like, y'all, it looks really good. My husband did tell me when he saw the bag, when he was like wrapping it up and everything for me, he did say, he was like, that's a nice bag. He was like, that bag looks so good, you're gonna be so surprised. He was like, it looks really good. And he did not lie. Like, it looks, y'all, this bag looks good. Like, the glazing looks good, this looks good. Like, even the canvas looks really good, y'all. It looks really good. And it just, I don't know, it just smells like a fresh new bag. But the vachetta looks good. Stitching looks really good. And then he did leave it stuffed. So like I said at first, I wanted it left stuffed if it had stuffing in there. But yeah, take all of the stuffing and everything out. Okay, and here is the interior, red interior. That looks really good. Here is the little tag right here. That looks really good too. That looks really good. It has like 2 slip pockets right here. That's correct. Has a long zipper pocket in the back of the bag. That looks really good as well. And it's like that kind of like microfiber like lining, which is also correct. Like, y'all, this bag looks so good, y'all. So good. Like, it looks so good. Like, can y'all see that? It looks so good. Let me try to see if I can bring it up a little closer. If you guys can see that glazing looks really good. Is what the bag looks like without the stuffing in there. I'm really in love with this bag, y'all. It looks good. Like, let me show you guys. There's the bottom, and then it has like stamping right here. I don't know if you guys can see or if it's too bright, but it has like a stamping right there on the strap, which looks really good. Like, y'all, I'm so happy with this bag. Like, the quality of this bag is amazing. First bag that I got from them was amazing. I really love that bag, but I think this one right here takes the cake. Like, takes the cake in comparison. Like, now that I have two bags from them, you know, because there's different factories and things like that, I would say that the factory of this bag is even better quality than the other bag that I got. Like, this one is really good quality. And even with, like I said, when my husband saw it, he was like, that bag looks good. He was like, that bag looks expensive. That bag looks so good. He was like, and you know, especially in comparison to my other authentic bags that I have, he was like, this bag, he was like, that bag looks good. He was like, yeah, this bag is chef's kiss, gorgeous. I cannot get over it. Yeah, I would say it's even better quality than the first bag that they sent me. That bag is still good, but this one right here is just, it's just amazing. Chef's kiss, chef's kiss, chef's kiss. So guys, I am highly impressed with the quality of this bag. Like, and I'm not just saying that, I'm very impressed. I cannot see myself walking into LV and actually getting this slouchy bag, because this one looks good. And I did go into the LV store to look at the slouchy in person in anticipation of doing this video, because I knew I was getting ready to get this bag, and I just kind of wanted to, you know, make some notes and stuff like that so I can see, okay, what was different, what's not different, you know. And yeah, this looks good. Like, I really was considering getting the slouchy, but having this bag, I do not see the need to get the slouchy. I don't see the need to get the slouchy, for me, in my opinion. Take that how you will, but this is my opinion. I don't see the need after this one, whatever factory this is the factory. Like, this is the factory for the slouchy. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this unboxing, or if you have any questions or anything like that, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. And if you are enjoying this type of content, definitely consider subscribing. Well guys, until the next one, bye.